got something very, very important in this box. But first, I gotta walk through the swamp. It's been currently raining a lot recently. This, let me show you what it used to look like literally 6 hours ago. And it was literally almost up to the concrete, as you guys just saw. And it's kind of crazy to think of that this was coming up or flowing that much down into this area, which is still full from probably a month ago. So getting cars in and out is a no-go. As you guys can see, Miata, both outside. And I got a brush pile I need to get rid of. But in today's video, very special video. Oh yeah, buddy. This looks nice. Mess. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and installing Tums. No, I'm just kidding. I partnered with Cidava. Graciously sent out one of the nicest radio designs for the S197. This one is a 10 through 12. Looks like I got all the wiring that I need. Let's unbox it real quick. I'm glad it's got styrofoam around it. That's, ooh, she got some weight to it. Oh my gosh. This thing probably weighs 10 pounds. Like I said, 10 through 14. It's got a flash RAM, looks like 4 plus 64 gigs, black, made in China. Ooh, it's got buttons. I really like buttons. Got a tuned volume. The biggest thing when I get a touchscreen is I have to have buttons, especially for the fans. I don't have to go through the controls, click on fan. I can just click a button and we're good to go. So without further ado, let's get this area picked back up and let's get the Shelby inside. But the biggest problem, I gotta drive through that in my Shelby. Man, I feel like I'm the most disrespectful Shelby owner out there because I drive this thing in snow, as you guys seen. I daily drive it. And well, let me get inside of it, start it up, a little cold start for y'all, and show you what the biggest thing and biggest problem I have with it right now. Oh my golly, see what I mean? I neglect this thing. Makes 800 horsepower and I treat it like it's dirt. I almost daily drive this. The only times I don't drive is when I need the truck, obviously. Gosh, I'll blow that off before I get in there. But, you know, I have the twin turbo Mustang in there. I don't ever drive, it stays in the garage. Whoo, it's on here. Cold start. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, she's purring. But the biggest thing right now is this. The clutch is clutch is freaking out. So that's why I stopped driving it. Cool thing is, I do have a clutch in the box, ready to go. I'll install that next. But first, let's get the stock navigation shaker, whatever, radio out of this guy. I get the new one in. I just gotta go 50 feet, and I can't get it into the 50 feet. That's forward. I should have started it. Oh God. What am I gonna do? Oh, is it in? Oh. We're in. Woo! Oh, come out. All right. Come on, baby. Let's go through the water. Let's go. Oh man, this feels awful. Yeah, this clutch is gone. We're up. Woo! Oh, that feels good. Cool. We're here. That only took, what, 20 minutes? So now, what I need to do is center console needs to come out. I'm gonna have to keep that up. So center console, shifter. Okay, shifter ball is off. Am I gonna have to take that off? I might have to take that off or figure out how to take that off. All this just kind of pops up and off. I might be able to work with this just like that to replace everything. I don't think I can take this off. I forget how I took it off in the first place. But this is only held in by 2.7, so let's go ahead and grab some actual tools. Oh, ants galore. I had a damn ant infiltration. They're living under here, and I saw this bundle here and a bundle there, and I started smacking this one. Look, saw this. I was like, oh no. So I freaked out real quick, pulled everything out. I think I sucked them all up. They're all chilling inside that vacuum, which I should probably dump soon. But for now, like I said, I got my 7. I'm gonna sit on the other side because now I'm paranoid. Is there any ants over here? I don't see any. All right, so I panic cleaned, but we're good now. We're good now. Let's go ahead, move on with the install. Okay. So take your 7. Should only be 2 screws actually holding this bad boy in. Then everything else is your clips. I'm so paranoid. I'm looking over here for ants. Oh man, it's like really disgusting to think of. I get it. I know why they're in my car. You know, it's a Shelby, but they could have picked someone else, and it should just kind of lift up and out. Ugh. There it goes. Here's the cover. We'll go ahead and unplug, and then what we're gonna do now is take off. Should be 4. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4 for the display, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the CD-ROM. So let's go ahead and get these off. There might only be, yeah, I think there's only 4 total. I don't know. I feel like got one. Golly, I'm freaking out. Oh look, there's a big ant. Okay, I'm okay. I'm freaking out. Okay, I feel like I need to pressure wash this thing like right now. Like stop everything what I'm doing and pressure wash it because I'm starting to get paranoid. Okay, look, you can look at my eyes. I'm paranoid right now doing this install. Found it. Okay, we got this. Okay, take the display and then take your antenna. Try not to break it. Take that off and then take your CD-ROM. Should just pull out. That's out. Yeah, it's just that one. Oh, there it goes. You guys remember I did this video a few years ago actually with the Amazon special touchscreen. I owned it for, I think it was close to 2 years on that car itself, and it wasn't bad. It was a little glitchy. It was the cheaper model. But side note, here it is, the Micloid, or Micloid. I got the flywheel, I think it's a steel, and then I got the, I forget which one it is, but it's like rated up to 1,000, which is cool, and then the old pressure plate. But I'm gonna grab this bad girl. I'm gonna check for ants one more time. Oh, look, they're back. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Get out my dang car. Oh, that's sleek. I think I have most of everything plugged in. Oh, I did not mean to pop the trunk. Oh, okay, it powered up super quick actually. Oh, touchscreen's pretty nice. Okay. It tells me that the car doors are open. How cool. Okay, let's do climate. Oh, what happened? Oh, you can go to apps. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this touchscreen works. You got Gmail. How crazy is that? HDMI, the radio. If you could shut up. We can go to audio. We can change the equalizer. Oh, that's nifty. Look at all those. We got video, we got HDMI output, user. Ooh, we can put in default stuff. Nope, here's the phone settings. You can see I call my dad twice, never answers. Home. I want to say I can customize. Yeah, that looks so much cleaner of a look. Oh yeah, look at that. How did I get that perfect last time? It's alright. But, finished product. I got the USBs right here on the side. Nice, clean. Ooh, yeah, it still says the hood's popped open. The hood's not popped, is it? No? Oh, I know what it is. So my hood indicator thingy is broken. So that's why. So that's really accurate, and that's really cool to know that it's actually showing exactly. If I open this car, bam, left side door open. That is the coolest thing ever. Yep, perfect. Shuts off. That's what I needed. No, I just got to figure out the Android Auto. And it does come with a speaker. I wanted to put it here, but I might try to see if I can get it to work with the factory speaker right here, or microphone, not speaker. But man, that is clean, slick. I do like that a lot. Appreciate it again. If you guys want to get one, I'm going to leave the link down below. They might be on back order. I did have to wait like 3 days for this to come back into stock. But honestly, really worth the wait. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. And I kid you not, the last one I got was like $200-300 bucks, and it didn't work well at all. It was glitchy, it was laggy, it was delayed. It was honestly a POS, okay? But this one worked like a charm. All right, I guess I will see you guys in the next video and doing the big boy clutch system. So peace out. I'll see you guys later.